You are about to book a load. Your truck, your week, your fuel money, all on the line. But do you actually know who is on the other end of that rate sheet? Most people never check. Every year, carriers haul for brokers that vanish, and brokers hand freight to carriers that were never safe to start with. By the time the load is gone, or the invoice goes unpaid, it is too late. The strange part is, the warning was usually there in plain sight before anyone booked. Because the record is public, authority, insurance, safety, fraud history, all of it lives in federal data. The problem was never access. It was that it is scattered, technical, and hard to read fast. LoadWrap fixes that and puts it all in one place. Here is how simple it is. Go to the company's page. Type a company name, a DOT number, or an MC number. Set the state or type if you want to narrow it. Then search. In a few seconds, you pull live FMCSA data on that company. And it is not one or two big names. More than 4 million carriers and brokers are tracked, the same companies you actually see on the load boards every day. So whether it is a giant logistics firm or a brand new authority that called you an hour ago, the record is there. Every company gets one number, the LoadWrap Trust Score, from 0 to 100. It is built from the official record, not from reviews or rumor. A low score does not mean run. It means slow down, look closer, and read before you commit the load. The homepage even shows what changed across the industry today. New authorities, insurance alerts, companies that just went inactive or got revoked. The freight world moves every single day, and so does the record behind it. Open the profile and you see what actually matters. Operating authority, active, revoked, or suspended. Insurance on file, with the limits. Safety rating and roadside inspection history. And fraud and double brokering signals tied to that name. The full record, in plain language, in one view. And it keeps watching after you check. If a broker's authority drops or insurance lapses next month, that is exactly when you need to know. LoadWrap monitors for those changes. The platform informs you. It does not judge for you. The call stays yours. The best part is what it costs you. Nothing. No login wall, no fee, no waiting. 10 seconds and a company name stand between you and a decision you might regret. That is a trade worth making on every single load. So before your next load, take 10 seconds and check. Know who you are working with, free, on LoadWrap. Drive safe and get paid.